Namaste. Hi. The soul could be awakened through the mind and through the body. But realistically, practically, it's better to start on the physical body, even if you are already energetically sensitive. I am energetically sensitive. During my younger days, I dread this experience and I had my share of ridicule. I was embarrassed expressing it because I couldn't understand what's happening. I would go into a realm where there's no correlation to the external world. But yoga, Hatha yoga, helped me understand the connection between the gift and the science of it. Good. So now, my understanding of the self, of the soul, of the spirituality of our existence is systematic. There is a direct link between science and providence, so to speak. But the providence I'm talking about is not supernatural as commonly talked about. It's not esoteric, it's not mystical. It's as present as my body, it's as present as my breath, and it's as present as my senses. It's just that I'm able to refine them in a way that I adjust them, yeah, so I can enter the void while maintaining my external senses. And how do we attain that? Hatha yoga is the science of purification. It's a science of cleansing our original sin. The body, to begin with, is blocked for a reason. We don't want to be awakened this centers too soon, too fast before the time, because this holds subconscious mind. So slowly, yeah, as we tackle life, yeah, we open the body, therefore understanding the truth and the reality around us is our existence, although mostly beautiful, but some may not be for everyone, especially if you're tackling the initial stages of your life, because some, I say subconscious trauma, can manifest, and if the person is not ready to accept the reality, then this could cause problem. Therefore, Hatha Yoga tackles the stage, per I say element. First, the body. After the body, then the internal body. And after the internal body, the energetic body and the spiritual mind. And Hatha Yoga is the preliminary step. It is the foundation of all the practices you see there. After Hatha Yoga, you can branch out to a specialty. But it's complete on its own already. I didn't go outside Hatha Yoga. Yeah, I would express it through the flow, the vinyasa, and then intertwining some contemporary ones, but it's predominantly physical. And the meditative practices of the Hatha Yoga, which includes breathing exercises, mudra, and the bandhas. Yeah, do you need to practice all the techniques written in the book? No, I didn't practice all of them. I passed through them, and whatever serves me, whatever resonates with me, I continue growing it. I would encounter or realize a particular sensation. I would refer to the book, and yes, there's a correlation. That's my practice. Yeah, I'm a practical person. I'm an earth element. I want to feel the technique to my body, to my skin, to my breath. And then from there it grows. And it transcends to something of higher, I say, manifestation or experience. Yeah, good. So my advice is this. Yes, of the many techniques proliferating around, yeah, why don't you practice only one? Yeah, if you've been following my lessons, do my classes, and I've given more than enough classes that would take care of your physical. Practice it daily if you can, 3 times a week minimum. If you have an hour to spare browsing through your social media, cut it down to 30 minutes and then spare 30 minutes for your practice. And then 6 months into doing the physical observances, add the breathing exercises. And I've given a number of tutorials, classes, guided lessons, safety, precaution, and the techniques in detail. Nadi Shodhana. If there's one pranayama I'd like you to grow, it's the Nadi Shodhana. It's safe, it's progressive, and everyone can do it without worrying of hurting your body. and you relax. You lie down the Shavasana. If it's you, you can chant the Om. And the simplicity of the practice is, if there is one principle, simplicity, really, simplicity, simplicity, simplicity. The mind is insatiable. Don't allow your mind to experience something that you are not ready to explore. Because the moment you dip your mind into that, it will just be restless. It will keep seeking. So if the practice is simple, yeah, therefore your mind remains simple. As simple as that, right? If you advance your practice, then the mind advances. If you're not ready to advance your practice to that because of your other circumstances, don't do it. Yeah. When the mind is satisfied, it will surrender. And then that's what I mean when I say it could be awakened through the mind and through the body. All right. The problem in these modern times is because of the easy access to information. Then we dip our fingers to all without realizing that as we do them, we disrupt the functions of the mind. And this affects, of course, our spiritual, I say, disposition, our situation. So, yes, practice daily. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah. If you have the time, then increase the time duration of your practice to probably an hour. Yeah. 15 minutes of pranayama in the morning, 15 pranayama minutes of pranayama at night, that would suffice. And as you experience the benefit, then you will be willing to sacrifice a little bit more of your time outside yoga and allot it in the practice. And that's how we grow. That's how we grow. Sweet. I'll see you in the next lesson and have a meaningful one. Namaste. Bye bye.